Hello, guys. This video will show you how to link your WooCommerce store to DSers using two different methods. Let's begin with the first method. First up, you need to log into DSers and click the WooCommerce button. Then click Install in the pop-up. Enter your store website domain in the input box and click Add a Store. If your domain is verified, you'll be directed to the WooCommerce login page. Click Login. Then hit on Approve to authorize DSers. Last, click Confirm. Now, let's explore the second method. First, log into WordPress. Refer to the link in the article to check the steps to install the DSers Dropshipping Solution plugin and access it at the left navigation bar. Click Connect and you will be directed to the DSers login page. Repeat the steps in method 1 to link your WooCommerce store to DSers. Once done with the store linking, the next step is to select a plan. You can check the related article to learn details. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!